Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. Now in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Terra Classic, also known as the LUNC, on your Kucoin. It's quite simple. All you need to do is open up Kucoin and simply register using our link, which is going to be in the description of the video, and stand a chance to win 3,200 USDT worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts once you've verified your account using our link. Now, once you've gotten an account on Kucoin, all you need to do now is simply deposit. And you could deposit any of these verified cryptocurrency assets or any of these accepted cryptocurrency assets onto the Kucoin platform. And once you've done that, simply use the menu bar, scroll through, and click on Convert. Now, I have some of the Kucoin token on my wallet. So all I'm going to do now is, in the place of Floki, I'm going to be searching for LUNC, that's the Terra Classic. Click on this LUNC, click on Max here, and simply click on Confirm, and click on Confirm again. And now I've gotten 8,625 of the LUNC. Another option of getting the LUNC is by simply using the spot trading method, which involves using spot trading or the spot trading section to purchase the LUNC. Now, this can be done by simply having the trading pair, which is USDT. So you still deposit either USDT here or a cryptocurrency asset that can be converted to USDT. So now click on this trade, click on KCS USDT, proceed to search for LUNC, click on LUNC USDT. Now, before you can start trading LUNC USDT, you're going to need to move it from your funding account to your trading. So by heading over to the assets menu and simply clicking on this transfer icon right here, click on transfer. And now we can simply transfer our LUNC from our funding to our trading or from our trading to our funding. Now, once you've moved to your trading account, your next step is to click on this trade, and in the space of buy or sell, you select market. We're going to be using market price, which is the best price of the market currently. And by simply entering an amount of USDT, we can simply buy Luna C or the Terra Classic directly using USDT, or we could sell our Terra Classic or Luna C for some of the USDT. So guys, and that's how you can simply buy LUNC on Kucoin. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.